Hey guys, we were gifted an awesome product from Reashy's. This is their Hotas Mount. It is their Joystick Mount aluminum flight stick desk mount for Logitech X56, X52, X52 Pro, Thrustmaster T.1600M, TCA, T.Flight Hotas One, 4 Airbus VKB Gladiator NXT black. Wow, that is a whole lot. It comes in 3 different colors. You got black, you got red, and I believe there is a silver as well. And I'm super excited to get it out and kind of show you a little bit around it and in itself. So here's the mount. Tells you the specifications with regards to it and how it's going to work, and then what it's going to look like when we are done. But let's go ahead and open her up. This thing is super high quality. For the size of the box, it is unbelievably heavy. So we know we are getting a solid aluminum mount here. You're going to be able to set it up properly. Check out the actual directions here, the installation directions here. Very simple. Loving the overall aspect of it. Huge pictures, and it's telling you exactly how to do it. So we're going to be looking at that as we go here to mount it or look at it on the table. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. And my goodness, this thing is some gloss black aspect, and I believe this is what's going to be holding on to the table itself. So look at that. That is slick right there. And check out this movement, right? Buttery smooth right there with absolutely no issues. We have the connection point to the actual desk or table itself. Let's go ahead and see how that's going to work. Oh yeah, fits like a glove. And I'm definitely digging, they put some nice rubberized gaskets here so you're not going to ruin the desk or table that you are working with. Let's go ahead and see the rest of it. So you have some additional mounting hardware right here. Now they do give you all the tools necessary. Oh, and that is super nice. So they give you all the tools necessary to make this happen. So from your Allen keys to do that, to tighten up each bolt or screw. Now the other thing that is really nice here, you have all your different M4 pieces. So there's 8 in there. You have M6 6x16, M5 by 16s, and you have your M5 by 60 millimeter nuts and bolts right here. These things are really nice, very properly labeled at the end of the day. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the bracket here, see what else we are working with to see everything be able to put together. Let's go. And again, they have black, red, and gray in this, which is super important to notate. So you have 2 pieces to this that you're able to make happen, able to hold this down with the Hotas mount. Definitely check these guys out, making it super simple and very functional at the end of the day. Let's go ahead and see what the rest of the bracket looks like. 2 different bracket pieces in here. You're able to mount onto the top. And the pieces that I love about on this is you check on here, there are huge slots. So from a connection point, you're able to kind of manipulate it however you want to. So if you're slid over a little bit, it needs to come to you a little bit, whatever that might be, you're able to slide and adjust accordingly. They didn't just give you like a minor slot or a location in this to put your joystick or your Thrustmaster or whatever you have going on. They give you a ton of customization aspect because you want to be comfortable wherever you're at, whatever you're sitting and doing. And then check out the actuation of this. If you want this up just a little bit, you're able to do that without any flaws in the design itself. Super nice, very ergonomic design here. You definitely got to check out Reasy's Hotas Mount. Check it out.